In this episode of I Am Man, I am unboxing the new DJI Mini 3. And if you want to see the reason why I have to unbox the new one, check this out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So yes, part of the reason why I had to get the new DJI Mini 3 is, number one, I crashed the old one. The problem, however, is I sent my DJI off to DJI to be repaired. They were superb in their service, and they offered me a brand new DJI Mini 2 as a replacement instead of it being repaired. This led me to go out and get the new DJI Mini 3. And I have to admit, I am quite excited for this. There are a few features to the new DJI Mini 3 that is just that tad bit better and that are immense improvements on its predecessor. The first of which we will check out in just a second. So, DJI Mini 3 unboxing, and I have to admit, oh, by the way, this is the Fly More combo. I opted to grab the Fly More combo with the DJI RC remote. So this little bad boy, I'm super excited for that because it means that I won't have to use my phone to actually see what my drone is recording, which is a really exciting component for me. But let's jump into this and see what is in the box. As always, I love the fact that the DJI brand is very similar to Apple in it's a clean-cut, super nice setup and boxing. On here, you've got all the important bits and pieces of information. So just breaking the seal over here. There we go. We'll make sure to get rid of that. So getting into it, let's get started. Okay, cool stuff. The video tutorials, DJI Fly app are all from the barcode that you can see over here. And I have to admit, it is very similar to the DJI Mini 2 Fly More app. It all comes in this beautiful compact package, which is just fantastic. With the previous model, I had exactly the same bag. It is something that fits your controller, it fits your drone, it fits your battery packs, and that just keeps all of your stuff together. In here, obviously, very simple. Unzip it at the top, and out comes the toys. First and foremost, here we have the new DJI Mini 3 drone. One of the reasons why the Minis have been such a absolutely successful, really successful product is the fact that it falls under that 250 gram requirements, which classifies this as a toy. So popping this one open, well packaged, awesome as always, and there we go. So from the DJI Mini 2 to the DJI Mini 3, the basics are still very much the same. You still have your legs that pop out. Sorry, I first have to take these off. You've got your legs that pop out to the front, and you've got the ones that pop out to the back like that, which is really nice. As I said, under 250 grams, which makes it a technical toy, and therefore you do not have to register this with most aviation authorities. There are 2 or 3 aspects on here that I really like. First and foremost, if you know the previous drones, one of the biggest issues that they had with the arms at the back is that the rotors were not off the ground. So in my previous drone, I had to literally 3D print little legs to just have my drone stand off the ground so that the rotors do not suck up any dust or grass or whatever particles are around. So that's one of the first things that is really, really cool. That is really, really cool about this design. You can pretty much see that as it sits, the engines or the rotors are on the same level. 2 or 3 other things that are pretty cool is obviously you've got your guard for the camera. They have not upgraded the camera that much, but what is pretty cool is since the gimbal is now right in the front, as you can see, it can actually record through the horizontal, which is quite nice. I mean, you often have a shot where you are coming sort of like up towards something and then you want to pass over that and then look down on it. And the DJI Mini 3 allows for that. So that's the first part that is pretty cool about the DJI Mini. The next parts or the next things that are coming out here, and as I said, this is the one that I am super excited about. I am excited about the fact that the controller, this is the DJI RC controller. And as I say, I am super excited about this little bad boy because it's got the integrated screen. Now in the past you actually had to put your phone on top of your controller, so that took your phone out of commission. So I am super excited about this. It's got the regular bits and pieces that you would expect. You've got your camera or your mode, you've got your recording, which is well placed. You've got your panning of your camera, and then at the back over here you've got your 2 little toggles that fits nicely into there, and they simply screw on, and you can then control where you are flying with your device. Once again, it's got the cinematic, the normal, and then the speed or the sports mode. And I am super excited about playing with this. Also in the Fly More combo, you've got your extra set of batteries. And yeah, for any drone enthusiast, for any drone person, this is always one of the major issues. So the cool thing about this is it comes with 3 batteries. There has definitely been a bit of an improvement on the usability of these batteries in terms of the drone. So just pop it and then take out the entire battery. The big thing is in the previous ones it was quite an exercise to get them out. These batteries over here also apparently will give you up to 31 or 35 minutes flight time. And you can upgrade to their super batteries, which will give you an opportunity to fly something ridiculous like 48 minutes, which is awesome. But for me, from the Fly More combo perspective, the fact that you have 3 batteries really puts you in a position where you can fly this bad boy for or to your heart's content. So yeah, over and above that, in the bag, as I said, you've got all the bits and pieces that you expect. You've got all your additional or extra rotor blades. So if any of them do get damaged, you can simply change them over. Also in here, so in there, you also to replace the rotors, you have the nice little screwdriver, and I'm going to pop mine right in there. Over and above that, you've got your regular charging cables, your C port to C port cable, and then your USB to C port cable. And these are fantastic. It helps with quick charging, and you can charge the battery directly in your drone, or you can charge the battery as a whole, all 3 of the batteries at the same time. So yes, that is the new DJI Mini 3, the new flyer in my collection. And yeah, if this is the type of stuff that you like, give me a little thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. You know what to do. If you want to find out more about it, how it performs, drop me a chat in the comment and I will gladly get back to you. But now this bad boy needs to be charged, the software and the firmware needs to be updated, and then fly time. Until the next time, Enjoy. Cheers.